So if you remove the battery out of your Dodge Magnum, there's a huge design flaw. You can't open the rear hatch, which is where the battery is. So what I found out is you have to crawl back here with the seat, grab something like this. It's a trim removal tool, but a small screwdriver will work. There's no manual release under the dash or in the glove box or anything. And then you gotta pop this up. Like that. You see it? You'll see that little access right there. See, it has a groove right here, and it's right in there. So you might even be able to, just, I put that back in, just like a smaller piece. And then pull that out. And then there's the latch right here. I don't know if you can see that gold piece. Pull. So you have to get your fingers, slide it to the right, facing in. And this thing's heavy, so pull and push up, and yeah, that's a pain in the ass.